Hey Mustangs, today's tech tip is how to use the highlight feature on Google Docs or Google Slide. It is super duper easy to use, and all you're going to do is put your cursor in front of the text that you're going to highlight, click and drag, go up to your toolbar. Right here next to that A with the underline is the highlight color. It looks like a little paintbrush. You're going to choose the color that you want, and it's just that simple. But let's say you accidentally make a mistake and you need to go back and fix it. Instead of trying to undo just part of your answer, remember you can always use the undo button, the undo arrow or the redo arrow. Those are excellent time savers. I'm going to undo that, and I'm going to put my cursor right where it needs to be and make sure that I have the best answer possible. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your teacher, and remember, it's a great day to be alive and a Mustang.